How to use the close friends feature on Instagram? Well, let me show you how it's done. First step, you go to Instagram and then go to your profile, and over here on the top right corner you can say there's this menu. Here, once you click on the menu, you can see there is this option called closed friends. Close friends. Once you're there, you can add people into your close friends list. You can either remove the people that are already there, but since you don't know about this feature yet, you have to add a bunch of people that you're close friends with, or you want them to spread a specific story which will not go public or will not be seen to your other followers. So it is a private selection of people. Once you've done that, you press done, and that's it. They are in your close friends list now. And once you upload a story or anything, you can see that this one is a close friend story, and this in the top right corner you can see there's this green star symbol. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and yeah, bye bye.